Hello everybody and happy Thursday. So I just want to do a really quick video, of course talking about life insurance. And one thing you guys need to know, here's how you determine how much life insurance you actually need and what kind you should get, because there's different kinds of life insurance. There's term and permanent policies. So I'll do a video later on to break down the difference between the term and permanent life insurance policies. But here's how you determine how much life insurance you need. So basically what you need to do is take your income and multiply it anywhere between 2 times your annual income and 10 times your annual income. Now, strategists, will tell you that you need at least 10 times your annual income. And that might be unrealistic for your budget. So 1 to 2 times your annual income should determine how much life insurance you actually need. You got to factor in what your budget looks like, how much you can actually afford to spend on a monthly basis. So sitting down with a person like myself and doing a financial needs analysis, we can determine how much life insurance you need and how much you can actually afford, because that's going to be what's the most important. Is it has to fit comfortably within your budget. We don't want to get you into a life insurance policy that you're going to have to cancel because you cannot afford the payments. So you also need to be, realistic when you look at trying to figure out how much life insurance you need. Look at what your disposable income is. Factor in everything that is not a bill and not a necessity that you just kind of spend money on here and there frivolously. And then, that will show you what your actual disposable income is. So looking at your finances is how we're going to determine how much life insurance you actually need and can afford. And along with that, looking at all your assets, anything you're trying to protect. So, and of course, as you become more financially stable throughout the years, you want to increase your coverage amount because now you have more assets, you have more to protect. So you want to make sure you leave your family in the best financial position possible when the time comes that you pass. So now here's the thing to remember too. If you are on a super strict budget, get a small policy for the time being, because listen, when I tell you, a small policy is 100% better than no policy at all. There has never in the history of mankind where a family was mad because you had a small policy that actually helped pay for your pay for a loved one's funeral. That's just not going to happen. They will appreciate that you at least had something in place, even if it's just a $10,000, $25,000 policy. Those are small policies, and those are extremely, extremely affordable. So if you can't afford to get a super high policy right now, the policy that you feel like you really want, or you're really worth, or however you want to look at it, look at just having a small policy in place, because worst case scenario, something happens, at least you have that in place to help your family out. So like I said, how do we determine how much life insurance we really need? Is by doing a financial needs analysis and looking at your finances, looking at all your debt, looking at your disposable income, and looking at your assets. That is how we in the financial services industry show you how much life insurance you need and can afford. I hope this has been a helpful video to you guys, and I want to say thank you, to everyone who has watched, shared, and liked my videos. More to come within the next following weeks and well into the new year. Love and light to you all.